Hi, I'm Slin. I'm an indigenous rapper from Norway. I have over 20 years of experience when it comes to making music and writing songs, and today I want to share with you some tips and tricks when it comes to making a song. In my previous video, I gave you tips on how to get started making melodies, and in this video, we will focus on the recording process. Tip number 1, warm up. This is such an underrated thing. Have you ever been to a concert and you sang along and had a great time in the after party, the music was loud, and you spent the whole night shouting till someone's there when communicating? Then you wake up the day after and you can barely talk? That's usually because your voice wasn't ready for that. Warming up your voice, and in general your body, is important because it puts less strain on your vocal cords and you won't run the risk of hurting them. For a vocalist, warming up the voice should always be step number 1. There are thousands of videos out there showcasing techniques on how to do it, so I won't touch too much on that. Usually my process is warming up the body by doing, jumping jacks and simple exercises before I drink some tea and do some vocal exercises like early in my career I never warmed up, and usually halfway through my show my voice was dead. So yeah, warm up. Tip number 2, be ready. If you don't record at home with your own equipment, then you need to pay to rent a studio and a technician. Come prepared, because every minute counts. And ye old wallet will feel it. Studio time isn't cheap, especially if it is a real professional studio. If you prefer to read your lyrics off paper, print them out. I find printed paper is easier to read than my messed up handwriting. If you have an iPad or iPhone or whatever, read the lyrics off that, but make sure they are structured correctly so there won't be any unnecessary stops during the recording process. Memorizing the lyrics is another option. Also, do your warm-ups before the session. Tip number 3, don't overthink it. So similar to my previous video, tip number 3 is don't overthink stuff. We all want to make things sound perfect, almost machine-made. But some of the charm in recording your actual voice is that there will be imperfections. Maybe that one word isn't completely on beat, or maybe you put the pressure wrong on that one syllable. If it overall sounds good, go with it. Overthinking stuff usually leads to things never getting finished. I have people I know that have worked on a song for years and never become satisfied because of perfectionism. Don't overthink it and you'll be fine. Tip number 4, if you do find yourself with the possibility to spend as much time as possible in a studio or recording at home, play around with your voice. Put on ad-libs. Add dubs to your verses. Kom til bygda mi 1999. Kom til bygda mi 1999. Trust me, it gives that extra depth. Try singing in different notes and overlapping them with your main vocal. Just have fun and experiment. I do that every time I want to record. I've achieved so many cool effects without having to use actual effects. So there you have it, 4 tips before recording. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and enjoy making music. If you felt like these tips helped you in any way, let me know in the comments, leave a like, and if you want more, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I hope to see you again.